Okay, I'm going to do this freehand. This John Pickles from Florida hand carving. Very well known for his work down in the Florida area anyways. Now this coming out of the house just like I found it. If there's dust or patina on it, that's how it was in the house. Very detailed here. It's all bird's eye maple. Must have been hard to carve. It's a very hard wood. It's all you can see a line here, but that was from the original carving, it looks like, because it goes all the way into the piece. That would be your front look. Okay, I tried to flip the piece over and that didn't work very good. It didn't have enough in it. Now the whale here has a little bit of play in it here. Comes right around because it's only mounted down here on the tail, just sitting on these this driftwood. The coral was a little bit loose, and the turtle here looks like it was glued. It's on a pivot though. Thank you for your time.